Things to know about affiliate marketing. It is a known fact that almost 90% of affiliates earn less than $100 per month. So, you cannot depend on affiliate marketing. But if you put in some extra effort, then you can increase your commissions. Before entering into this field, a lot of people are under the false assumption that affiliate marketing is basically a shortcut way of becoming rich without much effort. Actually, it is not such an easy business. Don't think that you will put a couple of banners on your website and you will start earning. There are some tips to increase your affiliate commissions. 1. Build a good website. Good website means a website that attracts the visitor's attention. It must not be rich in graphics. It should be simple and easy to navigate. It should be simple for the visitor to find anything that he wants. 2. Do search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is very necessary to drive steady traffic to your site. This is a very big topic. There are various techniques to increase the page rank of your website. Banner exchange is a famous technique. Search engine friendly URLs is another search engine optimization technique. 3. Pick the right merchant. Pick the right merchant to start with. Don't look at the profits offered. Look at the expertise and experience of the merchants. See their history. How many products they have launched in the markets and how many were successful. Are they good in marketing? Are they providing good service to their customers? Find the answers of all above questions and you will find the right merchant that will give you good and constant business. For increased traffic to your website. Getting a lot of traffic to your site is basically the key factor in this field. You must remember that not every visitor is your buyer. Only a few of them will buy your product, so it is important to get more and more traffic to your website. Some important techniques are email campaigns, banner exchange, RSS feeds, selection of the right keywords, writing search engine friendly content on your website, etc. 5. Pre-sales. An important point is to read the minds of your visitors to understand what they need and then offer them the right thing at the right cost. Try to attract your visitors with the extra things that they would like. For example, if you are selling laptops on your website, then you can put some useful articles on how to troubleshoot laptops. This will attract your visitors. It is possible that your visitor might not make a sale in the first visit. But if he likes your articles, he will come back to study your articles, and it is possible that he may make a purchase after some visits. This concept of offering some useful free gifts to your visitors is called pre-sales. It is very helpful in increasing your sales. You cannot get the desired results in a few days, but it requires some time. Concentrate on how to improve your business by making a good website and driving more and more traffic to your website. Choose the right merchant and attract the people by offering useful products and gift packages. One satisfied customer will bring 10 more customers.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.